5 plus 5 equals 10, and again 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 10 times 10 equals 100. But this answer is wrong because we did not follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. According to the PEMDAS rule, the expression inside the parentheses is solved first. So 5 plus 5 becomes 10, and the expression turns into 5 plus 5 times 10. Next, we do the multiplication. 10 times 5 equals 50. Finally, we add 5 and 50, which gives us 55. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.